and nebunganim amimianismo. Before I proceed on, I would like to say my kapasin through kung sa much at Jing Bishop Amanto Samo. Chitanap si pagkapas usun ni punay pasya and culturation. For those of you who don't understand, my topic for tonight is about enculturation. I would like to also apologize because the topic that Bishop chose me was enculturation. But I tried to search enculturation. I only found it in Latin, so I don't understand Latin. So I chose enculturation. As my own understanding, enculturation is the process by which people learn the requirements of their surrounding culture and acquire values and behaviors appropriate or necessary in that culture. As part of this process, the influences that limit, direct, or shape the individual, whether deliberately or not, include parents, other adults, and peers. Peers, which means coming to view or appear. If successful, enculturation results in competence in the language, values, and rituals of the culture. Enculturation is related to socialization. In some academic fields, socialization refers to the deliberate shaping of the individual. In others, the word may cover both deliberate and informal enculturation. According to one famous writer, Conrad Philip Kodak, he said that enculturation is the process where the culture that is currently established teaches an individual the accepted norms and values of the culture or society where the individual lives. The individual can become an accepted member and fulfill the needed functions and roles of the group. Most importantly, the individual knows that and establishes a context of boundaries and accepted behavior and dictates what is acceptable and not acceptable within the framework of the society. It teaches the individual their role within society as well as what is accepted behavior within that society and lifestyle. So as Chuukese, Palawan, Yakpis, and Bombayan, we have our own ways of enculturation to know and apply. For example, as Bombayan, we need to know how to work in the NAS or to do the jump. Jump is a kind of way of doing reconciliation. In Chuukese, they say, Chevenu. We apply this in the church during the time of reconciliation. We do this by using the sakaw as our sacrifice, or also for asking forgiveness. So, forgive me because my speech is short, like as President said that the shorter, the better. Thank you, Mr. Okala.